Welcome aboard the learner's curve. We are about to embark on a journey around the sun, where we'll witness stunning celestial bodies and zip past the asteroid belt. Are you ready to blast off and discover the wonders of our solar system? Here is our chapter, The Earth in the Solar System. Subscribing our channel is like a becoming superhero. You won't just make us jump for joy, but you'll also help us create a mega community of learners and spread our knowledge even further. With your support, we can help more folks out there and make a bigger difference. We are so grateful for every single one of you. Wow, watch out the difference between full moon and new moon. The full moon is the lunar phase when the moon appears fully illuminated from Earth's perspective. The new moon is the lunar phase when the lunar disk is not visible to the naked eye. Some interesting facts. Neil Armstrong is the first man to step on the surface of the moon on 20th July 1969. Let's talk about the moon, our planet's wingman, the only natural satellite we have. It may be a wee 1/4 the size of Earth, but don't be fooled by its size. The moon swings closer to us than any other space rock, making it appear larger. It's a bit of a trek to visit. Though 3,84,400 kilometers away, almost like traveling to the sun. It takes our lunar friend nearly 27 days to bust a move around us while twirling around itself like a ballerina and revealing only one face to us earthlings. Sure, it's got mountains, plains, and valleys, but it's not the kind of vacation spot where you can unpack a picnic basket and start a new life. Moon is a natural satellite. Oh, then what is a human-made satellite? See, picture this. A magical metal ball soaring through space. That's a human-made satellite. These space chums are like science's secret agents, gathering intel on the universe and making communication possible. They hitch a ride on a rocket and set up camp in orbit around our Earth. India's got a few of these space smarties up there too, like INSAT, IRS, and EduSat. They are like the superheroes of space, zooming around and making scientific breakthroughs. Did you know that a celestial body is any groovy object that isn't earthbound? Means the objects which doesn't belong to earth. Think the stunning moon. Oh, what a beauty. The fairy sun, too hot. And the other cool cats in our solar system. And there's a whole bunch of celestial wonders hanging out in the Kuiper belt. Even asteroids count as celestial bodies, chipping around in our spacey neighborhood. Let us take a moment to appreciate the celestial marvels that are stars. These immense fairy spheres of gas put on an awe-inspiring show, radiant both heat and light with astonishing magnificence. Welcome to the Star Show. Today we'll be shining a spotlight on none other than the sun, the ultimate life giver. Let's dive in and explore the fairy details. The solar system's center is occupied by the sun, an enormous celestial body composed of scorching hot gases. It exerts a gravitational pull that holds the entire solar system in place. And as the ultimate source of light and heat for the solar system, it plays a crucial role. However, despite being the nearest star, its impact on us is minimal because of its considerable distance from Earth. The Sun is approximately 150 million kilometers away from us, and light travels at a speed of 3 lakh kilometers per second. But sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. This makes the fastest runner in the universe a laid back wanderer. Constellations. What are constellations? Groups of stars form distinctive patterns known as constellations, often resembling animals, mythological figures, or inanimate objects. Currently, there are 88 officially recognized constellations, and Polaris is a star in the northern circumpolar constellation of Ursa Minor. It is designated a Ursa Minoris and is commonly called the North Star or Pole Star. Celestial bodies that lack their own source of heat and light are reliant on the light of stars for illumination. These type of objects are deemed planets. Planets get all its heat and light from the sun, which is our nearest star. The word planet comes from the Greek word planetae, which means wanderers. Planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And I have a tune that makes you remember these planets' names. Wait till the end. Mercury. It's too closest to the sun. So it may be the hottest planet. Don't get foolish. Venus is the hottest planet, even though it is in second place due to its surface temperature. Earth. Earth is our home planet, the third planet from the sun. It's composed of various elements, primarily rock and water, and its atmosphere is the only place we know of that can sustain and support life. And the Earth is the third nearest planet to the sun. In the size, it is fifth largest planet, and it is slightly flattened at the poles. That is why its shape is described as a geoid. Geoid means an Earth-like shape. When viewed from outer surface and outer space, Earth appears blue in color, primarily because of its significant water coverage, which accounts for 2/3 of its surface area. This characteristic has led to its identification as the blue planet. So our Earth is called as blue planet. Mars is fourth planet and also called as red planet. And here is your largest planet, that is Jupiter. This is a gas giant. And the next one is Saturn. It is often called as the jewel of our solar system. It is second largest planet and it is also known for its beautiful and prominent ring system. And the seventh planet from the Sun is Uranus. Like Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus has an atmosphere composed of hydrogen and helium, but it also contains methane. And Neptune is the eighth planet in the solar system. It's primarily known for its bluish hue and it is also recognized as an ice giant. Here you can find a list of all our planets and their revolution periods. Like Mercury is 88 days, Venus 224 days, and Earth 365 days, Mars 687 days, Jupiter 4333 days, and Saturn 10,759 days, and then Uranus 30,685 days. Finally, Neptune, it's a dwarf, 60,188 days. We are a little bit closer to Venus, nearly twice of us for revolution, but celebration of New Year's on Jupiter and Saturn is not as straightforward as one might think. And here, on the other hand, Uranus and Neptune's unique orbits make it impractical to celebrate the New Year's. Get ready to blast off into the history of our solar system. So, once upon a time, about 4.6 billion years ago, our sun started forming from a massive cloud of gas and space dust. But as the center of the cloud started getting denser, the leftover bits of materials were left to drift around, forming the asteroids. We know. Who knew the space rocks were such cosmic survivors? And they are also found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Meteoroids. Picture a shooting star blazing across the night sky. That's a meteor, but what causes this stunning sight? Meet the meteoroid, a pebble-sized space nugget that hurtled through the atmosphere, glowing like a bonfire. During the meteor's journey through the atmosphere, friction with air molecules generates heat, causing it to burn and produce a brief flash of light. Occasionally, a meteor may not entirely disintegrate, leading to its impact on the Earth's surface, creating a crater, that is a halo. Picture a starry night sky so vivid, it's like a painting come to life. Now imagine a radiant white path stretching across it. That celestial path is just a tiny part of a grand system called a galaxy. These massive systems are a wonderland of billions of stars, dust, and gases. And if you thought our galaxy was special, hold on to your space helmets. There are millions of galaxies out there, making the universe an endless playground of cosmic beauty. Pluto was a dwarf planet which was not considered as planet. Big thanks for tuning in. If you're all about the visuals and want to keep the good times rolling, hit that subscribe button and never miss out on more eye popping videos.